Everybody, I'm right here with the chisel plow and I'm ready to share with you an exciting science experiment that we're doing. Agrituf sent me a couple of twisted shovels for the chisel plow to compare to our old ones. So this is the style of shovel we've always ran. And then here is the Agrituf shovel. You can see it's a lot thicker in the middle and it has this rib down the middle, and it uses hex bolts instead of plow bolts. Now, what we're hoping that they're right when they say that this shovel is going to outlast the other shovels by quite a bit, because I hate changing shovels. So I've got this one right here behind the wheels. I'll be comparing this one to that one over there that's behind the wheels. And then I've got the other Agrituf shovel here in the middle, not behind the wheels, and I'll be comparing it with that one. So I'm excited to see how it goes. Stay tuned. All right, we've been over about 250 acres with these shovels, so it's time for a quick update. If you look at the leading edge of the old style shovel, it's worn down very, very thin. You look at the leading edge of the Agrituf, there's still a lot of that shovel left on the edge. Now let's get the tape measure out, or the yardstick, and figure out how much we've actually lost off each kind. Okay, both styles of shovel measure 8 inches from the corner of the shovel when it's new to the edge of the bolt hole. Our standard shovel is worn down to 6 3/8, and the Agrituf shovel is sitting at 7 3/8, almost 7 1/2. Guys, one shovel has lost 5/8 of an inch and the other has lost 1 5/8 inches. That's a lot of difference. I would be very excited to only have to change shovels maybe once a year as opposed to 3 times a year, if that's what it came down to. So I'm just testing them and telling you what I'm seeing. Okay, we've got 400 acres on these shovels now, so it's time to flip over the store brand shovels. Look at this. Okay, these are opposites. They've been right next to each other. They twist the opposite direction, so I should be able to line them up nicely. Okay, we line up the top, the unused edge. Look at how much is worn off the store brand shovel versus the Agrituf shovel. That's crazy. That's nuts. And then if we flip it over here and line up the bolt holes, now look at the brand new unused edge of the store brand shovel. Oops, there we are, right there. Versus the 400 acres used edge of the Agrituf shovel. Guys, these Agrituf shovels are legit.